It's all about baking. Let's go inside. I need some chips for my baking stuff.
What chips? These are like little almonds, aren't they?
Yeah, that's almond. I'm gonna get one. What's the difference between this and that? This and this?
Sliced almonds. Sliced almonds. The difference is, I'm guessing they've just left the little bit of skin around and they've peeled them ones properly.
So I'm gonna get this, yeah?
Sliced
Is that
almonds.
the same?
Well, these are like just little chip bits, though, aren't they?
Yeah, so that helps.
You want that one?
Yeah, I like this one. Yeah, basket, please. Okay. Okay, I have a lot like this from your steak pie. So what else do I need here?
I have no idea.
Okay. So girly stuff.
Never
Huh?
been in the hypermarket, you know where
Oh
to
yeah.
find it. Yeah?
Yes. What? I don't know what this cream of tartar means. Oh, icing.
Yeah.
So these
I
are
thought it might be caster sugar,
confectioners.
but it isn't.
This is what we got, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's cheaper lang pala eh.
Oh well, we learned now. Specialist shop.
It's sugar. Oh my god, the sugar that you bought is expensive.
What, this?
Yeah.
450. Yeah,
450. Oh, it's small muffin. I want this. Yeah, I need
Just
that.
have water or milk.
Yes. So I need that.
Do you not have to have blueberries?
I have blueberries, but it's like a jam.
Oh, it's got artificially flavoured blueberry bits.
That one?
Yep.
So it's a fake flavor. Wow. I don't want to get this because I think it's a 10 moist chocolate cake. How much is this? Oh, because I'm not professional baker, so I don't want to waste money.
What a world famous baker.
So these are the a cookie. Okay, just tapioca.
Tapioca.
Oh, tapioca. Tapioca, I cannot read. So yeah. What about this?
What the fuck is
I don't know. I have no idea what's that.
it? It is whole wheat flour.
A whole wheat flour, so it's
Yeah.
healthy.
Coarse
whole-
whole wheat flour. And they've got fine whole wheat flour as well.
So this is healthier, yeah?
I guess so.
Okay, I'll get this.
Do you want the coarse one or do you want the finer one?
What's a pine?
Finer, not as granulated. This is more like bigger chunks. You
Okay.
probably want the finer one.
It's all about baking. Oh, they have their own products.
Yes.
Is this like... Okay, I'll get that. Cacao. Oh, Hershey's. Oh my god. I was about to get that.
What, and then you saw the price.
And then I see the price of cacao. I'm so kuripot, so I can't afford.
That one's 190. That's Hershey's as well.
Yeah. Is this the same?
No, it's smaller.
Oh.
It's the same thing. Oh no, it's Bensdorp. I thought it said Hershey. Sorry.
Hershey, girl. I got the Hershey, the one in the container. We used to have that.
Okay.
What's the difference of this and this?
Different brands or different type.
But it's all, it's really, okay.
No, cargo.
Cocoa.
Whatever that is.
I have cocoa at home.
Okay.
What is cream of tartar, mahal? It's, diba tartar, it's in the teeth.
I don't know what. No, tartar. I don't know what that is.
I really want to make this, but
Baking powder.
I don't know how to make it.
What, that?
Yeah.
You just need to Google how to make a Black Forest gatto.
Okay. Sushi roll. Can you check how much is that, please? I cannot reach.
238.
238.
This one
The blueberry, that's more
is
expensive.
242.
Yeah, because of the brand. So, okay. Do you eat a cheesecake? Well, anyway, I love that cheesecake of Savoy Hotel, Sheraton, and Belmont. They only have one. They only have the same. They have the same cheesecake.
Okay.
Like a sister company that make the cheesecake of, you know, for the hotels. This makes me fat. That makes me fat. That made me fat, actually. Okay, let's go and pay. So many bits. So many bits. What are those? Mallows? It's a mallows.
Yeah.
Marshmallow. We'll go to the supermarket anyway, so I don't need that milk. Wow, giant cocoa. I wish I'm a professional baker so I can get this big cocoa for baking. Thank you. Got a free cookie. It's okay. Thank you. So where else?
Give you the receipt. It's over here. You can get them in trouble if you don't get the receipt.
Okay.
Remember?
So,
Should we have a look in a Benson?
things all about baking. I got.
Should we have a look in the Benson?
Okay.
Right, a Benson home. What do we need in there?
So we're back home from shopping, and yeah, this is what I got from the All About Baking. I got a muffin, a blueberry muffin. It's like, I don't know if it's. Then I got almond, silver almond, and I got a free cookie. Let's bake.